Welcome, welcome everybody. How's everybody doing? Hello, which broker do you use? Forex. Actually, I need to post that in my link tree. So if you're in the Discord, you can see the broker which I use. Hey Rick, what's up? Low volume? Yes. Low volume in the market or low volume in the mic? आज लगता है sale होएगा. We'll see, Wajid, we'll see. You have double voice? Do I have double voice, guys? No? Yes, no, yes, maybe, maybe yes, maybe no. If everything is good, type 1. If it's not good, type 2. ये कौन सा गोल्ड है? ये मेरा पर्सनल गोल्ड है. Okay, type 1. All right, everything good. I didn't hear broker. Good. Are you in the Discord, Mr. Ashi? Yes, okay. Message in the general chat. Message in the general chat. I will direct you to the broker. Just message hi in the general chat in Discord. Okay. All right. Yeah, check the Discord. Click that and you will direct it to the broker. Hello, hello. Hey, AZ. Hello, bro. Hello. Okay. So far, anybody take any trade? Anything? Yes? No? Hi, who? Hi, how you? What's hi, who? Hyper. Hello, Armel. Hello, Hyper. Nope. How's the market today? It's ranging. Tomorrow we have CPI, guys. Don't expect too much today because tomorrow, whenever we have the big news data in the morning, especially in the New York sessions, don't expect too much. Okay, take it easy. I did FOMO. I have paid the price. JC, man, how long have you been coming here? I see you for a while now. How are you? I mean, I know what you mean, but what's hi who? Hi who? Come on, Hyper. I'm here every day, well study, bro. Okay. Hello, how are you, Katrona? I'm good. How are you? Hello, hello. AM to PM. Yeah, let everybody come in, then we're gonna start discuss about the market and do a deep dive. I'm Amir. Okay. Is it Mehmet? Amir Mehmet? Are you the same guy or no? Not Mehmet. Mehmet. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you're the same guy from without H. Okay. On Vope. On Vope what? Himoti. On Vope what? Yes, you remember me. I remember every one of you. You guys think maybe you're gonna come after a few weeks and I forget? No. I remember everybody in the chat. And I have eye on everybody what they're doing. here and other places as well. So don't worry. Armel, hi. Hi, Armel. Hi. Hi, Armel. Do you remember me, Mark? No. Dr. Mark, I don't remember you, of course. I'm new here. Yes, break in. Yeah, guys, everybody welcome break in. He's new here. Plus, this is our birthday boy for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Breakin's birthday. So what we're gonna do here with him, we're gonna basically block him. So like Breakin, he basically block everybody in the chat. So we're all gonna together block Breakin as a birthday gift. Quintamol, yes, I remember you. Planet, hello bro. You still new? Planet. The forex of the future, it's for futures. Who's ready for tomorrow's CPI? Who's ready to trade CPI? So far, nothing is happening. Okay. Everybody's here. Okay. So, whenever we start our session, what we see, we need to, guys, now you need to focus here on the charts a little bit, okay? The sound is good, everything is good, right? Because I don't want to repeat over and over again. Hello, Paji. Hey, Sandy, what's up? In a buy, Jewel, well, good luck, man. Good luck. If you're in a buy, good luck. Yes, it's good. Okay. So whenever we start our session, what we see what happened previously, and then if there is some like, because our zones basically marked over the week, and all we have to do is when we come up with a new session, we just adjust those zones, right? So far right now it didn't need it because I already did it. So what happened with the previous session? Let's start it, okay? So okay, so this was a new session. This okay. This was the Asian session somewhere here previously. We took some buys, price push up, reject, then drop. Later in Asian session, then London session open, price push up, then reject, then drop. And in the New York session, basically what happened? I want you to answer in the chat. So what is been happening in the market since yesterday Asian session till London session or the market close or till now? Price is been what? Range. Exactly. Range. Yes. Now, the longer the price range, the bigger answer guys. The longer the price range, what happened? The bigger strong breakout. Exactly. Stronger the breakout. The longer the price range in one zone, the bigger the breakout happen. It might happen during the CPI. It might happen maybe in Asian session. Who knows, right? Might be a tweet away, might be a news away. It might be during the London session, but most likely, whatever happened, it's might be in Asian or London, but in New York, it's for sure. Why? We have the high impact news, the CPI news. It will literally create some nice wicks towards upside and downside. Okay, that's for the later. Now, if you open the daily candle, because we like to move session to session, right? We We don't, yes, on the weekly basis, we look at the weekly candle or monthly candle. So far, it's still strong bullish, if you see that. But if you look the daily candle, and if you see here, what happened here, it creates a nice top wick, and that's a sign of the rejection. The way the candle closed, it's telling, okay, this will be a clear rejection, price drop, give a closure below this zone. Why exactly those zones? Because we see previously, whenever price tries to break that zone, wait, all right, now you can see this is the daily chart, guys. Okay, I'm trying to give you the bigger perspective, a bigger image for the chart, so you don't get confused when those moves happen, because you guys are too much focused on 1 minute, 5 minutes, and you just stay in that small box. But when the big push up or big drops happen, you guys get confused. You have no idea how this happened, why it's happening, and all that. So this is why I'm trying to explain you this. So if you open the daily, and if you see previously, what happened, the same exact zones, the price where it starts creating those wicks, if today's, I mean, now the day's end, right? So if this previous daily candle close above, it's more likely the candle starts pushing up. But the way it gives a closure with creating this top wick, and now it gives a closure below, most likely the price is going to range, and it's going to wait for another volume, maybe during the CPI, to push up or break, right? So this is basically, now we need, so what happened here, basically the price creates a small bracket. So you need to observe this, what happened between 4420s to 4450s, right? And again, the longer the range, the bigger the breakout. But if you open the daily, there is, whenever you see, okay, the daily close like this with a huge top wick and then close the body back inside this range, most likely the price can retrace from there, reject from there, and starts pushing it down. But in the bigger time frame, in the weeklies and monthlies, if you see, the momentum is still bullish. So that might be a retracement in the monthly or weekly to again push up in the CPIs or PPIs. Okay, so here, what we need to do here, we cannot wait for the weekly to close, we cannot wait for the daily to close, because then you have to wait for how it's gonna close and then you're gonna trade tomorrow. No. So you need, what you need to do, switch to the lower time frame. You can switch to the 4 hour, you can switch to the 1 hour, you can switch to the 15 hour or 30 minutes. It's up to you. But even in the lower time frame, you cannot find any entry yet. Why? The price is still in the uh, strong in the range, right? Once it gives you a nice closure, that's why I write, wait for those closures. If you want to take buys, wait for those closures to price to uh, gives you a nice closure above the zone, and then you can look for some buys. Or if you want to look for the sells, right? Today we also open for the both sides like yesterday. So if the price gives a closure below this, then yes, we can expect some drop. Why? Because looking at the daily, most likely it can come down, and maybe later during the CPI, price starts pushing it up as well. All right. Any questions now? Whatever I try to explain, if you guys have any questions, you can ask now. The other thing what we need to see here, the daily, right? So this current daily, you see, it is respecting. Once it starts breaking the previous daily lows, most likely, yes, we can see a nice push down. But if it's respecting this, and in the lower time frame, if you see, like for example 4 hour or hourly, these are respecting this zone over and over again, and then we see, okay, the buyers are coming, the bullish momentum it's coming, most likely, yes, we can look for those buys again. Can you teach me how to doji? Yes, Chadaji. I can teach you however you want to learn. You just want to tell me, do you wanna Learn with the oil or without oil. That's all. Meow. Meow. So no more questions, I guess, right? It means everybody is very smart here. Everybody is pro trader here. Very nice. Very nice. I'm really excited to see that. We can wait and see. Yeah. What are you doing? Boxing? Okay. You you have PTSD from your birds? Smart Pro Max. Uh-huh. Now I have to. Whenever somebody said no, it's a must. It's like, okay. Mhm. Okay. Okay. He was there. Mhm. Okay. Hey Maria, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Maria, don't you think you're a little late after we done all the analysis and everything? I know I was early, my bad. I was early, but I just done with like explaining the analysis for today. NQ, nothing is happening. Bitcoin, little bit pushed down. Silver, nobody talks about that. So yeah. How many of you already taken that trade and use your bullet? Guys, remember, you only have two bullets. I'm the only one who comes with the grenade. You guys only have two bullets to use. If you already take this trade, hourly is flipping, guys, respecting this zone. If we look something like that, so the stops are going to be below this zone, around this, targeting towards again highs. I mean, here you can do the quick scalp. I mean, the scalp is also not bad though, like 150 ticks. I'm not in any trade, guys. Don't get excited. I'm not in any. I still need to wait for the confirmations, okay? Before getting in anything. But okay, so this is the zone where we need to see here. If this hourly still keep respecting this zone over and over again, most likely the price gonna go touch that, and then there's a next zone. If it push up, that's different. Like the same story as yesterday's Asian session. Okay, my bad. Sorry, no, you're good. Hey FX, hey Nimuri, what's up? Thanks for the analysis, Sandy. No worries. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna respect that, and so far it's ranging. So far the price is just ranging. Once it gives a closure below this zone, okay, then we're gonna look for some sell side. Right now there is no volume, and when there's no volume, what happened? Just range. Okay, so don't do full port in this session. Maybe tomorrow CPI we're gonna do that, but not here. Okay, if the price gives a closure below, we can look for some sells. If it stays below, the buys are still valid. Okay, and guys, as soon as you join the live, the first thing what you need to do, just spend 1 penny. That's it. That's it. And make sure whenever you send the heart me, claim your points. Okay, it will give you some level up. Hmm. Anybody interested in taking these buys yet or no? On the flip of this hourly. In the, I mean, the only volume we're gonna see is this time, maybe next 2 hours. Okay. So from, from 8 to 10, that's the most amount of volume we see. No, why not? Why not? Love, love, love. I would like to enter after a sign of bullish momentum. Quantum. Quantum, are you I think you're the guy in the VIP, right? The What's your name? Daquan? Am I right? Yeah, you have the same picture. Love, love, love. Yeah. The last 4 hour candles are very risky. Man, you need to risk it to take biscuit, right? Yes, okay. Yeah, I feel like the buyers are coming here, and it will push up, I think, from here to at least this range, and this range is also, guys, the pip value is too high, so that's still more than 200 ticks from here to all the way up. Okay, only if the price stays above this zone, then the buys are still valid to this. And then I think maybe later the session price drop again, and in London we're gonna see another push towards upside. Okay. And once it starts breaking its highs, most likely the price will continue pushing upside. What would be ideal for you to see before entry? I want to see at least like, so for example, even if this 15, I would like to see a closure above here, okay? Because the price has been ranging in this, I would say, uh, zone from 44.33s to 44.20s, right? Once it gives a closure above, then you can look for some buys as well. So 15 is about to close in 1 minute. If it gives a closure above and we can expect some volume up incoming, then yes, we can look for some buys there. Okay. But again, guys, it's the night before CPI. Uh, it can dodge you as well. So don't go like full port. Don't try to, you know, try to pass your eval in this go. Maybe in the CPI and tomorrow new session, that's different. So right now, all you need to do is wait for a closure above. And if the volume is still coming in, that probably gonna keep continue rise towards upside. Okay. The 15 is about to close. Okay, 15 just close. If this new 15 which just open, if it gives a lower wick and then flip, okay, let's say if it push down somewhere here and then on the flip of that, yeah, well, you can try something. Otherwise, it's better to wait in the high time frame. So for example, 30 minutes or 1 hour. Okay. So this 15 is coming down. Yeah. If it's back in the range, then yeah, we need to wait again. Okay. Don't chase the trade. Don't try to take all these setups. Just, like, I mean, it's better to wait for at least the 31. But yeah, 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 it's in the range plus this current 15 it's pushing. If it close back in the range, I mean below, in the bearish, then we need to wait further for at least we need to go then for hourly or 30 at least. Mm, yeah. See? Yeah. Okay, right now I'm at the 30-minute time frame. Okay, because 15 it looks iffy. Enter now. If you want to take the entry, then why are you asking me? I'm gonna wait for this 30 closure and then I'm gonna look for that entry. If this is for your entry, then go ahead. Hey, Spark, what's up, man? Where were you in New York? Your attendance is absent. Mark as absent today. I also played your song, the Titanic one. Okay, 8 more minutes. The volume is about to come, and the entry possible also come. Okay. Hello everyone. Hey Jaina, what's up? Jaina, sister. That's what Kitty gonna do. Bestie, bestie. See, Not, nothing, nothing, nothing. Yeah. What you cooking? What's vegetarian fish? The fish eats vegetable. Uh, okay, Chadda, I'm gonna block you. If you send one more message, I'm gonna block you from the live forever. Okay? Wanted to ask the same plant-based fish. Yeah, what's vegetarian fish? Like everybody's confused right now. Maybe her mean is vegetables and fish. So they eat fish with vegetable and vegetable with fish. But in a plate, the fish eat vegetable, you know. Fish eat vegetable. The way you ask. Yeah. All right, 5 more minutes. This is about to close. Looks like we're gonna have some spice. Your explanation makes sense. See, I know. So I can explain in more detail. So this is the plate. This is how you draw the fish. Okay, for example, this is the fish. Okay, and these are some vegetables here. So fish and vegetables are in the plate. What her mean? And this is Kitty. She's sitting here looking at, smiling at the fish and the vegetables. So when the fish eats vegetables and Kitty eat vegetables and fish, it's mean fish and vegetable. But when vegetable eats fish, then fish eats it back, and then Kitty eats it both of them. Make sense? Or 4 more minutes, let's see. If it gives a closure, something like that, it looks like we can try to get into some pies. Okay, we're still not forcing it, we're still waiting for the volume, we're still waiting for the confirmation. So let's see. Crystal clear, yeah, see, make perfect sense. Is that a goldfish? No, that was the fish you catch. Teza, you remember the big 55 kg fish you hauled? He was a big boy, yeah, that was huge, man. So is it slippery? Tessa, when you hold it, like, do you like, is it like slippery or no? Or you have to wear like gloves? 2 more minutes. Fasten your seatbelts. It looks like it's gonna close above, and the next one, when you're gonna get into the buys, the next one gonna drop, hit your SL, take you out, then respect the zone again, and then starts pushing up. So you're gonna take the cells here. You're like, okay, if it take me out at the buys, let me take the cell here. You're gonna take the cell, gonna place SL, it's gonna hit your SL, then starts drop. Then you're like, okay, let me get into another cell. And then it's gonna start continue pushing it up. And you're gonna keep adding the sell position and the price continue pushing it up. And you're like, what? Oh, was NY check the chart looks like yeah, it today NY it's range. Very, very rangy. Shopee. By the way, guys, we have the free Discord. If you're new here, first of all, make sure you hit the follow. And the second of all, you can join the free Discord, okay? Okay, Tessa sent some video of how to catch that fish. Yeah, you're wearing the gloves though. I see. Oh, Tessa, you want me to show everybody the video or did you catch the fish with the kid? It's not vegan friendly exactly. All right, the 30 close. If this current 30 gives me any lower wick, then yes, I would try to get into some nice buys there, okay, at that point. But until then, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the lower wick, and when it's gonna give me that wick towards downside and then flip again, then you know what we need to do here. But before triggering that, we need to wait for that, okay? It can still push up, but again, this is have some patience. Fish at your own risk. Exactly, fish at your own risk. Marvin, hello. Are you the same Marvin guy or you're somebody else? Do I need to make the remaining 799 or can I make anything up? Huh? What do you mean? Yeah, you can make towards 1500 zero. So if you are, I just see your screenshot. So you can make up to 1500. If you have the Lucid Flex one, daily loss limit is 1200. Yeah. So if you have the daily loss limit, it's probably the pro one. So there's no limit. There's no consistency rule on the eval on the pro one. So you can pass in one day. Mike, it's me. Okay. Hey, welcome back, man. What's up? Why you messaging the Discord? Hi everyone. You miss us, Mr. Mike? You miss us? All right, so yeah, I think that's it. It's not gonna give any lower wick. I'm gonna put some trigger on for taking those buys here, okay? If you wanna get in, you can try it. Again, guys, tomorrow is the CPI. Don't risk a lot. Don't you which you cannot afford. Okay, it's gonna break your teeth. The reason why we're taking this buy is number one thing, we're expecting some volume coming in. Number two thing, the price gives a nice closure above. Number three thing, we can expect another push towards 4455s. Okay, now it depends on the market if it's gonna keep continue pushing it up or gonna fall. And another thing is the breaking the highs. So whenever the price breaks the session highs, the daily highs, more likely when the volume come in, the price continue pushing in that one direction. Okay, always good to see you. Hey, thank you, man. Good to see you too. Again, if the price starts ranging here, then you know what's the next step? We're going to switch to the hourly. Why hourly? Because the hourly and the 30 also going to close at the same time. And if this hourly gives a closure like this, the next one going to come down, create lower wick, and then on the flip of that, that's the point where you can add more. Okay, most people add when they're in the big drawdown. We do the exactly the opposite. When we get the double confirmation for our direction, we add more in that position to get the maximize our profits. So if this hourly close something like that, and next one you're gonna see, do not try to add that. Once that next hourly flip, that's the point where you're gonna add and look for those buys again. Okay, and tomorrow we have CPI. The market is more like range in the Asian, maybe in the London as well. So take it easy. And once it starts pushing up, please don't ask me, sir, can I enter? Can I re-enter? Can I enter? Can I enter? Like yesterday. Like when we're in the buys, everybody's balls were in their neck. And when the price push up, they starts having the FOMO. Can I enter? 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 Don't ask me that. You're gonna get banned here. Yeah, once it starts breaking this daily highs more, and if we see the more volume coming in from Tokyo Open, we can see some push up. Okay, and this is, I mean, going to be around, I mean, guys, even if you're able to get 50-60 ticks tonight with this volume, this range, call it a night. Okay, don't get too greedy. If market gives us, that depends on that. Re-entry guys will receive chitar. Yes. Price is still at the break even. If you want to close it, close this position, wait for the next hourly, and then you can take the re-entry. Okay. If you want to play safe, if you want to play baby, but don't be a crybaby. Today, I don't expect rocket, but we can play some plane here. Let's see. This plane is getting filled right now. with some fuel. Once it gets some fuel, done with the fueling, then we can expect a nice push. Guys, if you're new here to the live, make sure you hit the follow, okay? We're trying to, actually, Spark is trying to do a 25 hours live trade non-stop. So once we hit that, we're gonna do the 25 hours live. So if you're new here, make sure you hit the follow. You can join the free Discord so we can make him work 24 hours live. Owl is about to close 15 minutes. It looks like a good one. The next one gonna come down. On the flip of that, I'm planning to add more positions at that time, at that point, okay? Yeah. So far, it's also trying to break those highs. It looks like maybe before the new hourly open, it already pushed like 100 ticks. If that's the scenario, you know exactly what to do. You know exactly what to do. Okay. 13 more minutes. Price can also reject from here and then starts dropping. You need to be careful. Guys, we still need 5 more hard wins. Can you do that? People who don't send one penny, Come on, guys. We need two more. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, fancy pants. Being fancy here. Thank you. Okay, 11 minutes. If this close like this, it looks like some solid buys incoming. Let's see. Pants. I have to do something, I can't just sit still. Chat is being boring. It's not saying anything or doing anything. They're just sitting and staring at the charts. I already ate my dinner, and you don't want to know what I ate. Yeah. Okay. Fancy pen. You only send flowers to Kitty. Fancy pants. No, no, she don't. She just send you. Guys, now we need to see some men's power here in the chat. Come on, guys, we need to show some men's power. Yeah, trucker is saying you should talk to some ICT trader. It's like let's talk with some ICT trader in the chat. Okay, trucker trader is saying do match with Kitty. You wanna do it? Let's do it, Kitty. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yes. Let's see. No, I'm gonna lose badly, I know, because all these people from the chat, they're gonna go. No, thank you. I don't know. Let's do this for entertainment right now. The price is doing nothing. Now, trucker, it's on you, man. You're the one who start this. You're the one who suggests this. Oh, here she come. Oh man, please don't. If I lose, no more trade on the hourly flip for you guys. So let's see if you guys make me lose. So you better stay here and support me. All right, 6 more minutes for this closure. Let's see. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, let's up. You're also gonna stay here, right? No more bestie vestie now. You either want to trade or you want a bestie vestie. You choose. That's my wife. Now your new wife is gold. Trading is your new wife. No fighting. Kitty, no fighting. She's set, setting all the system. Maybe doing some makeup, dressing up. Let's do this match. I need to win this match. I need to look good. You need to choose either Baby Trey or Mamacita. Yeah, if this heavily close something like this, the next one on the flip of that, that's going to be a nice add-on on the position. Okay, your wife. You don't think it will drop a little bit before going up? Yes. What happened to Kitty? Why there are so many videos? All right, 2 more minutes. The next one, again, be ready. Ready for, please fasten your seatbelts, guys. Sit back, fasten your seatbelts, sit tight. No, no downside. Come on, yeah. Price is still at the break even. If you wanna get out, this is your time before it drop. He liked you. Who? The guy? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let the serverly come down and then flip. That would be a nice add-on. Oops. Oops. How can I change my screen? I cannot. Wait, okay, let's keep the chart open then. Yeah. She's here, guys. She's here. Yes, I am. I'm under 18. Are you 18 older? No. The hourly is about to flip. Okay. All right. Guys, you need to choose. You need to choose the girl power or you need to choose the trade. It's up to you. They're saying they can't hear you. Wait, they can't hear you. Mm, now can you hear Fancy Pants? No. Oh, are we battling, guys? Oh shit! I forget about the. I didn't even know about the battle. I was focusing on the charts. Come on, guys. Do we still have time to do the tab or no? Hey, where are my people? Come on. Where is Maria? Tim? Where is Light 13? All these people. Guys, this is 2x. This is 2x. 2x. We can 2x. Come on. If you want to fly this goal, we need to win this match. Hurry up. Who's there playing? Who's on your side playing? Rizwan? Spark. Woo! Men's power. Men's power, Kitty. Men's power. Men's power. Here we go. Hey, thank you. This is men's power, Kitty. Again, men's rule the world, Kitty. Thank you, guys. Thank you. What? Come on, please. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Hurry up. Hurry up. 10 seconds, guys. 10, 10, 10 seconds. 10, 10. Oh, did we get the extra time? Did we get the extra time? Okay. Guys, yeah, it's 140 seconds. Guys, we can still win this. We can still win this and we can still push gold all the way up. All the way up. Let's do this. Mm. What is going on there? Who's there sitting? Spark? Spark, don't come back here. You're blocked. Okay. Spark, you are blocked. You're banned. Meanwhile, guys, price okay. And also you can do this here, the break even. Okay. I don't feel like giving you this, but since I'm already in, risk free, do the risk free. This is only for the people who are here, not for the people for the kitty side. No more woman power, guys. I want to see some men's power. Come on. So you think the god is a male or female? No, no, you're here. Why would I mute you? With double points, double lead. Aren't we playing best of three? Aren't we playing best of three? Oh yes, the best of three. Yeah. People in the chat, they're saying, AFX, you need to play best of three. We can still win. Everybody's saying in the chat, they're like, go for the best of three. Are you running away? Are you running away? All right, all right. Yeah. Rick is saying best of three. He's in charge. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so far the price is pushing up. This is the risk-free trade as usual. We have nothing to lose but win and win and win again. Again, the AFX flip strategy, it proved itself. What else you need, right? The prices still continue pushing around 100 ticks, close to 100 ticks. Yeah, to the moon. Yeah. Sorry, not sorry. All adds up. So three persons in the chat are banned. All adds up. Spark and Rizwana. They betray me. I thought you guys are on my side. Here she comes. Here she comes. My actually my chat, they were a little sleepy. Rick was away. Tim came up later. Maria is not here. Fancy pants. So it's not about women. It's about love, women empowerment. Rizwana, oh. So what about Spark? 70% of viewers when she went live. No, we're still in the big range. The small range where we took the entries, but the big range, if you see, this is the big range. So we take a buy in a big range from the small range. So you see here, the price is still in this range. If it gives a closure above, then yes, the more ticks are waiting for us, more profit is waiting for us. But most likely, it's gonna stay here until the CPI in this range. You didn't take the buys? And the price literally hit, guys, 100 ticks. Range in a range, still take the setup, still take those buys, still make money out of that. Enjoy it. TP is to the moon. Don't ask me about the TPs and SLs. SL का बदला लेगा. Sorry, what? Yeah, Sunny, I know you're DM me about the message. So what's the issue is coming? So the next stop for this price is around here, guys. If it gives a break from gives a closure above and break this, then yes, the next stop is all the way top. So far the entry is running very nice smoothly around 100 ticks. It's about to hit that target though. I mean, it already pushed up like 100 ticks from there, and it's still in the range, the big range. Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be more risky though. How many of you are in the buys? Chat. How many of you are still in the buys or taking those buys or planning to take buys? Okay, Rizwan is still in. Light 13 W's. Okay. Ketranova, me, Rick is okay, is in. Sandy is still in. Mark is W's. Okay, W's, W's, all right. All right, all right. Stay tuned. Welcomes, okay. Maria W's. Hello, W. Ricardo, Cindy, me, okay. All right, so most of you take those buys, right? So try to book your partials here. Why? Because most likely if the price reject, it's gonna stay in this range, okay? And tomorrow we have, the CPI, so don't expect too much. If it gives a closure above, then yes, whoever missed this move, they can enter after it push up, it breaks this zone. Because most likely if it's gonna touch this, uh, you see here previously, the same scenario can happen here again. I open it, went for prayers, Alhamdulillah, all good. And when you come back, you're like, oh, profit. I'm out now. All right, here's a good man. Yeah, if that's what your like profit target or profit goal and you're out, that's good, man. Who's screaming? Is it behind the song or Kitty is doing? Kitty's like, yeah, 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 woman's power. Okay. Hmm. It's not somebody, it's Mark. If it Mark, Rizwan, and there are few other people. Whenever they say about the giveaway, it means no giveaway because they always ask for the giveaway. That's why. Yeah, it's gonna do a little drama here, so that's why I say like wait for if it gives a closure above, then we can get the second entry. So same thing, same scenario like yesterday. We take the first buys. Whoever missed that train, wait for the second one. Yeah. Mm. JCFX, you message me. I'm interested in your services. Can we chat? What services you need, Mr. JC? We have all kind of services here we provide. Do you need recovery? We have Dr. Mark, Dr. Asif. What kind of services you need? Are you drinking Prosecco? What's the difference? Hmm. It's what like juice? Ju- like okay. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, you win the match, and now you deserve a little bit win time. Okay, it's fine. Location. Mhm. No, I was saying Lokesha, she's the winner from yesterday, the 50K giveaway. Yeah. How are you doing, Lokesha? I hope you didn't blow it already. So there was tornado there. Mhm. Mhm. I mean, I think the move for the session, we might say maybe it's done. Let's see. If if this hourly gives a closure like this or stay below, it's gonna be iffy. It's gonna range rest of the session. If you break it, then yes. Yeah, you see the 15, it's closing doji. So yeah, it's gonna do some now retracement to some side. Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why you never get bored just because of trading, because every day, like every few months, every time, like it switches. So you need to come up with a new idea or new plan or new strategy. Like you need to little like do a little bit twisting on that, you know. You don't need to like change completely, but do a little bit things. Sometimes yes, you need to be more taking more impulsive entries, because sometimes the price literally, the market is so volatile, it never even gonna give you some lower wicks. If you're waiting for that, you probably gonna miss those moves. So you need to make very very quick decisions to get in and out. Next. Bum diggy diggy. Bum diggy diggy, guys. Thir- 30 is about to close, same with the 15. But again, this is not the point where you're gonna take the trade. Okay, price needs to close above for you to getting into another trade. So far, enjoy whatever you make. But I only need 404 more. Can I see this need thing? Great. Yes, you can re-enter, but you need to wait for that. What? Yeah. Somebody's getting itchy to getting into the trade. Yeah. Yeah, wait. Yeah, you still need to wait for the closure, right? So this is, I mean, if yes, we have the clean range on the left, I would say you can get in right now. But it looks like even if you take the buys here, there is high chances that it's gonna reject and you're gonna stuck in this range. Who knows? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, or the next thing what you can do here is like just wait for this 4 hour closure. So if you open the 4 hour chart, you're gonna see it's closing side by side. All these 4 hours, right? Where it is exactly, if you see the previous, these two candles, these ones, like it's still in the big range. If this gives, let's say, continue pushing it up and able to break these highs on the flip of next one, yes, we can expect another. It's going to be around 300-400 ticks easy, maybe in London session, who knows, like maybe in, most likely in New York session. Mm. Yeah, so yeah, I think it is still fine though. Yeah, 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 if you're up early, yeah, you can start that live. I'm not sure. He missed today. No, in New York session, he wasn't. Yeah. Mm, mm. I'm on 20. No, he's saying he's doing 24 hours live. Once, yeah, yeah, guys, once we hit 24K followers, Spark is gonna do 24-hour live, and he's gonna be non-stop. So whenever he's gonna sleep or he want he's getting more sleepy, he's gonna do, he's gonna put the tape like this, and then he's gonna stare at the screens. He can't, he's not allowed to close his eyes. So this is, he's going to be all the time. So even he's sleeping, he's still, his eyes must be open. YOLO Spark, stay up until after. Yeah. N- yeah, he's a YOLO guy. Yeah, guys, why don't you join? Come on, hop on the call. Yeah, yeah, we're still waiting. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. YOLO, YOLO. From from f- no, from reckless rig to responsible rig to YOLO rig. Yeah. What's your level, Katie? Where you at? Mm. How much you usually need to spend to get that level? Uh, yeah, 30. Yeah, I'm looking at it. Yeah. Are you full porting on the evals? 404? Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Looks like it's trying to reject that zone, and yeah. That's why I'm not comfortable to taking the buys here or here. The buys are only, yeah, the buys are valid once it starts breaking these highs. So let's say this hourly or 4 hour closure is also coming. If it close above this, then yes, definitely you can look for the buys for the rest of the session. But other than that, this range or the next buy, I mean, if you also look at the daily, the previous daily, so what happened here, basically the price touched that zone in the daily, and now it might also flip as well, guys. So this daily can literally continue push, break its lows. Once the current daily starts breaking the previous daily lows, then there's high possibility that the price will also keep dumping. So yeah, so there are like opportunities at the both sides, on the buying side and the sell side. All we have to do is wait for until the next session, until maybe London or NY session, because CPI, after CPI we will get a clear move, the right direction for the market. Somebody's targeting for max payout. Okay, good man, good, good. Mm, mm-hmm. Okay. That's a lot, a lot. And how you become the guardian? Uh-huh. Okay. Mm, okay, all right. Mm. So being a guardian gives like any perks for the yeah. Mm. Who is this? Mr. Elite. Hello, peoples. What's up, peoples? Good, good. You have any question? Okay. Why you think that? Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. 3 month, 3 months. Yeah, yeah. What you think? What you think? How long I've been trading? Yeah, yeah. Um, I'm here almost a decade now. Yeah. All right. Good night. Take care. So see, you guys have the confirmation from Mr. Elite. He's saying, what? The gold is gonna go up, right? So that's the signal we were waiting for. Now we get it. So what we need to do here, we need to wait for this hourly to give a closure above, and then we're gonna get into the buys because we get a very big confirmation, Mr. Elite. So we have nothing to worry about now, right, Mr. Elite? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I can see him in the chat. Yes, he's like yes. That's the TikTok spend level. You said you're 32, 11K. Okay, so 8.7K. Kate is gonna tell everybody now because she wins. She's gonna guys, you see, because of you, Spark, you betray us. Spark and Rizwana. Okay, Rizwana and all adds up. That makes sense because it was women's power. But Spark, you too? No, now Spark, I have doubt on you. What battle? Maria, you missed it. You're supposed to. Ah, you missed it. That's not helping for me, Kitty. That's okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. The numbers, what's gonna happen, those matters. It doesn't matter what they're expecting, but the data which gonna show up, that's gonna matter. Mrs. Nag, hey, what's up, Mrs. Nag? Mrs. Nag, did you fix your beep? The fire alarm beep? I remember whenever I see you live with TBT, there always that beep. I hope you fixed it now. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yes, it's normal to see. Plus, if you see there's a small arrow right next to that, that means the news is revised. It means the numbers, the data you see, that's revised. So the when that news happened, the numbers, for example, right now you're seeing 55.2, but when the news show up, at that time it might be 54.2, 53.1, something like that. So whenever you see a small arrow right next to that, that's mean it's they changed it. So it's a manipulation in a manipulation. They do it twice. Yeah. So that's what it means. Okay, the price is now officially breaking towards upside. It looks like the Rick is gonna pass his new funded accounts tonight. He's 400 away from passing those. Yeah, me too. 170 ticks from the entry. 2000. All right, you kitty, so you wait for that, for your imaginary 2000 ticks. We're gonna catch this at 150 and we're gonna enjoy it. Yeah, I know, I know. But again, it depends on the market, right? Sometimes it will like to give you those 1000 ticks, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's too much choppy, like it creates the wicks upside down. Who is this? Ki- Who? Caroni. Oh, Caroni. Karomi. Me. Okay. What did it do? What superpowers? Okay. All right. Okay, Karomi. If you said so, Karomi. So, Mrs. Nag, did you fix your beep? Yeah. Because when it's keep beeping in your house, after a while, you never hear it. It's like, the sound of the water, like you stop hearing it, like you get so desensitized. But if the other person comes to your house or listen, he's gonna get annoyed. I'm one of them. Did you fix it or no? See, guys, wait. Did you hear it? Kitty, did you hear it? And it's not even like few weeks, it's been months. I would say 6 months. You didn't fix it. God forbid. And if, listen, you see, you heard? Yeah. Sorry, Mrs. Nag. I need, yes. Listen, ladies. When there is fire in the house, who you gonna call? Men's power? Men's power? Men's power? Okay. And Mrs. Nag, and who's gonna show up? Who's gonna pick your body out of that house and take you out from that fire? Ghostbusters. All right, look, we have firefighter in the chat, and he's saying if you call firefighter, they're gonna fix it for you. Mrs. Nag, Mrs. Nag, please make sure you fix it today. Make sure you message your husband. Make sure you message your husband right now to fix it before you sleep. Okay, so you can, if you're in the in an apartment, or and you can call the maintenance guy, right? So just, do you have a ladder in your house? Yes, you can reach it. If you can reach it, please just break it. No, not the house. That the beep. The fire department will fix it for free. Yes. Yeah. Next time, yes, please. Next time you wanna hop on the call, this is the requirement. If you didn't fix that beep, you're not allowed. Yeah, bro. Yes, please. He's also missing, by the way. Yeah. Yeah. See, it's you can't hear it, Mrs. Knight. Please, Phil, tell me you can't hear this. Please tell me you can't hear this. Did you hear this or no? Here are like almost 100 people. Like everybody listen. You're not. This is Miss. I think it's Spark. It's Spark. Spark, what are you doing here, man? You're 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 woman's power supporter. What are you doing here? Here's come the protector for the women's, the superwoman. Okay. You are banned. Finally, the closure is coming. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's gonna do the same exact thing what it did last night. So price keep continue pushing it up slow and steady. If this hourly and 4 hour gives this closure above this zone, wait for the lower wick, and then on the flip of that, you can look for to trade this range. This is going to be around another 300 ticks. Okay, so the price just closed little above that zone. So this is for the people who want to get into the second trade, a second entry. Mm, not yet. Look at that. Look at that. I never get a dragon or this dinosaur thing. Dinosaur. Whatever it is. I never get it. I never get it. I don't care about Guardian. I want the dinosaur. If anybody's getting here anything, that should be me, and then anybody else. I didn't get that guardian thingy. You're the one who get that What's the crown or banting? Okay, that's good. Oh, that's good. Now I'm little bit chill. Now I'm happy. It's fine. Tim. Mm, mm, yep. Those. So you're not gonna take the pies. Without the nice slow wick. Okay, okay, okay. That was that was so many backups. You said backups. Backup, guys. Backup, backup. Hmm. 446. What do you mean 446 what? Oh, 4446. Okay. Mm, right here. Yeah. If it comes at least here and then flip, then it's going to be a nice push all the way up. No, if you're in, then you don't need to get out. If you're already in, then just stay and it will start pushing out. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Sister, bestie, bestie. B- Yeah, both. And blow the accounts like Mr. Light 13. I don't know why he ended up always taking the hedge trades. I don't know. He said I'm not sure. So Nambi, are you here in the chat? His name is Nambi. Nambi or Nambi. Nambi. Mm, it sounds like some 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 matchmaking is going on here, guys. Yeah. Yeah, but Dinah, before going to the next step, I just want to tell you that Rick, he's pretty old. He's like 60s, 70s. He sounds young, but he's 60s, 70s. Yes. Yes. Do you want the price to go up or no? You need to be good with me. You know, you need to make me happy so I can make the price go up. Okay. Okay. Carry on, guys. I'm gonna be quiet for now. So do your matchmaking. Relax, guys. It's gonna go up. Relax. It's gonna. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. He's not that old. He's in his in 20s. Yeah. He he looked when he's even though he if oh pushing up, guys, pushing up. Again, Kitty, age doesn't matter. If you have money, Dinah, he's a multi-millionaire. Okay, he have a lot of money. He can take you all these vacations. Columbus or Colombia. Colombia. He will take you all these beautiful. Next month he's planning to go to Maldives, and he was looking for somebody to He's like, I don't want to go alone, so that's why we're asking. So if anybody from the chat, he's open. Oh, okay. All right. Let me correct myself. Not everybody. Specifically, a person name starts with D. Is that right? If your name. So, yes, guys, that's the story for today. Yeah. So Dinah, you need to choose sister, sister, Vista. You said bestie, bestie, so I said sister, Vista. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying, sister, Vista. What was the question? So the question was, she's thinking right now. She's thinking. She's thinking. Possibly, possibly. So it's mean. So Rick, make sure you get this payout, man. now you need, now you need to buy two tickets, not one, and the price is literally pushing up. Like, nice. All right, Dinah, 7,000 is coming. Good vacation is coming. Yeah. All right, 40, 50 ticks. Now, Kitty, you should do the break even in case, yeah, because now if this hourly or 4 hour flip, most likely it's gonna reject. And you see this previously, it happened here again. Okay, so if you survive this without the flip and the price still pushing up, most likely you can get that full pot. You do the full pot, and now you're in the cells. Okay. Mm. So you're not trading Ultima and that Pultima thing? Don't so lock out your account, your funded account first. Hmm. Rick have more muscles than me. No, Rick, turn on your camera. Dinah, Dinah, do you want to join the call? Yeah. Dinah, come on, hop on the call. Once again, if the price breaks its highs, the daily highs, session highs, we can expect a nice push towards upside. Just keep drinking. Just drink like 6, 7 bottles, like OJ, and then we're gonna look for you after a few weeks. We're gonna find where's Kitty? Where's Kitty? You wanna get into the buys again? I need to keep you here, so if you're in the buys, you will stay. You wanna get in the buys again, Kitty? The fi- you, I don't think so. But it breaking this, you see here. You're talking about this one. So it needs 8 more minutes. If this after 8 minutes, if this a closure like this, 30, yes, the next one, clean range on the left all the way towards upside. 300, 400 ticks, easy to catch. So we're gonna trade tonight till London session, right? Mm, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Meow. Baba. Baba Yaga. Ba- okay. All right. This 30 is about to close. And the next 30. All right, good night, Mark. We're gonna do now. Once you're gone, we're gonna have some giveaway and we're gonna do the another trade right now. So how early? That's it. That's not early. Mm. After New York Live, how many hours I sleep? No, no, three. I think it's like 2 or 3 hours. I was like, okay, let me take a small nap, and that nap switched to the full sleep. Mm. Mhm. And if it starts breaking this size, yeah, the clean range on the left will 200 thick, 250, at least 150 easy. So if you open 10, I mean 3 GCs, that's like around what, 6,000? Not on your funded. This is not the time where you need. It's a G plus setup, but the volume is not G plus. Yeah, it might be once it starts breaking those highs. Uh, it might just keep continue pushing it up. But the volume, it's iffy. Yep. Hmm. So so I have to catch all these ticks alone tonight then. Mhm. Yep. Put your buy stops at around 4465. Mm-hmm. Yes. 4465. That should be your buy. That should be your buying zone, because at that point it's gonna break the highs. Yeah. Yes, Maria. 4465. Two. Two. It's you only have 1,000 drawdown. It will literally take you out on the two GCs, means like it's like you only have 50 ticks to play with. Yeah. What about five? What about five micros? Hmm. Yep. It's not. Rick, man, come on. Come on, man. No, one account. No copy. Do not do the copy trading at this point. No. Yeah. Yep. Yep. All right. The 30 is coming down, creating some lower wick on the flip of that. Or you can, the ideal buys is above 4465s. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Who turned on the tapper? Yeah. That's why. Yeah. All right. Take care. Bye. All right, guys. I'm also gonna call it a night, because tomorrow we have big day, and that's where we're gonna catch some good moves on the CPI. Okay. All right. Do you guys? Yeah. Take care, man. You guys have any? Yeah. Take care. Take care. Any last minute questions, Chad? This is your time.